Welcome. If you want to stay on top of every conversation and never miss a message on LinkedIn, enabling in-app notifications for messages is the way to go. With LinkedIn's recent updates, it's now easier than ever to customize your notification settings right from your PC. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on in-app notifications for your LinkedIn messages, so you're always in the loop. Let's get started. First, open LinkedIn in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture labeled as Me. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can control everything from privacy to notifications. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Notifications to view all your notification preferences. Now, you'll see a list of different notification categories. Find and click on Messaging. This section controls all the alerts related to your LinkedIn messages, including new conversations, replies, and more. Within the Messaging category, look for the option labeled Messages. Here, you'll find a toggle switch for in-app notifications. Simply click to enable in-app notifications for messages. When this is turned on, you'll receive real-time alerts directly within LinkedIn whenever you get a new message. That's it. With these settings enabled, you'll never miss an important message again. If you ever want to customize further, you can always revisit the notifications menu and adjust your preferences for other categories as well. Staying connected on LinkedIn is crucial for networking and professional growth. By enabling in-app notifications for messages, you ensure that every opportunity lands right in front of you, exactly when it matters most. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other LinkedIn tips to make the most of your professional profile. Stay connected, and see you next time.